Folks, we got the Cardinal that you were asking about. Let's take a quick walk around on the outside here. Yeah, we were only able to get the one slide open because it was cleaned. So somebody, they cleaned the outside or whatnot, and it's all frozen up. So we weren't able to get the big slides open for you. But I think this will still be able to give you a good idea of the trailer itself. Beautiful fifth wheel though. So right in there is where the generator goes and power packs. This does take three great big batteries. Let's go inside. So there's that fridge that you guys were talking about, residential fridge. Will probably most likely run off of solar. Here's your kitchen. There's the island. Furniture. Beautiful ceiling. You can also see here you have an electronic panel to run everything. Generator, leveling, slides, monitor, everything. Everything is all right here. Nice hooks. Give you a quick shot of this. Let's go up top. So like I said, we were only able to get the small slide open. But this bathroom is beautiful. And like full wood throughout. Just beautiful, beautiful. Nice, nice door. Tons of storage. Let the light happen there. Let's take a look through the bedroom. There's your washer dryer. Nice TV. Corian countertops also in this fifth wheel trailer. Matching all the way through, eh? Real beautiful. Hope you enjoyed the video. You have any more questions or any of that stuff, just shoot me a quick text or give me a phone call. I'd be happy to answer anything for you. And it does have an oven. Talk to you soon. Bye for now.